All right, we have a situation here. We have a radiator leak on this Nissan Altima. I'm not sure if you're able to see it, but it's leaking down there. But anyway, we have to find the leak. But first, to find the leak, we start with this tool. It's a radiator tool. What it does, it will pump pressure into the radiator, the coolant system. It will pump a pressure, and we'll see if we're losing a lot of pressure, or at the same time we can see where the coolant is coming out. So this is on this test, you're gonna have to have this kind of tool. So let's do it. So first, obviously, you can remove the radiator cup. Always check your radiator cup if it's still good or not. And all you have to do now at this point is you have to find a right plug, right? So let's try this one. Yeah, see that? Perfectly fit. And all we have to do now is to put this pump here. It's a quick connect, so yeah, there you go. Just push it like that. So once you plug this in, all you have to do is pump it. Oh, by the way, this is your relief valve when you're done with the pressure. So let's pump it and we'll see where is the leak is. So you have a limit up to 10 psi. Now I can see it. It's dripping. It's dripping. It's coming from looks like it's coming from the top. So you have to open the cover here. All right. Pump this. You'll see right there. So this does need this radiator. See, it's dripping. It's out of focus, but you kind of see it's dripping. So yeah, this thing needs a radiator.